Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to review, I am going to review Asus VivoBook Gaming, which was released in February 15th, I think so. Yes, February 15th. The price of this machine is 72,990. You can purchase this laptop through Amazon. The link is in description. If you purchase through this link, I get some sort of commission without costing you anything. Please purchase through my link. Start the video. Okay, topic is to be covered in this video. The topics are: first, we are going to cover the general information about this laptop and display information. It's very important, and performance also, memory, storage, and battery. There will be some advantage or disadvantage for any of the laptops, right? That if there is any, we are going to discuss that. And is it worth on this price? Let's see the specification and decide that. Fine, if there is an alternative for this price, if you get any alternative, I will also say that. Let's start with the general information. Yes, let's start with the first one, general information. What are the general information we have? The first one is a brand. You all know that the brand of this machine is Asus, and series VivoBook Gaming Series. VivoBook Gaming Series it is. Okay, type is netbook. Fine. Utility of this laptop is purely for gaming. They have made the laptop for gaming purpose only. You can use for the general purpose also, but the main purpose of this laptop is for gaming, right? Okay. Operating system of this machine is a Windows 10, and it is basic. It's not pro version, it's basic version. Fine. Operating system type is a 64-bit. Nowadays every laptop, each and every laptop, if you purchase 20,000 also, 20,000 laptop also, or 2 lakh laptop also, the system type will be 64-bit. What is 64-bit? 64-bit means to it can access, sorry, it can access to upon 64 memory addresses. That is, anything more than 4 GB of RAM, the 64-bit system can handle it easily. That's why we always use, the manufacturers always use 64-bit systems. Fine. The weight of this machine is quite high. It will be heavy in your hands. It is 2.14 kgs. Fine. The general information is done. Let's move on to second point. Yes, the second point is display. The display type of this machine is LED. I'm quite not satisfied with the display. LED displays, they could give a better display rather than LED. That's fine. Let's see the size. The size of display 50.6. It is a standard size. That's fine. The resolution is 1920 into 1080 pixels. Again, they could give better pixels, but they are not. For 72,000, if you compare with the other features, something we should sacrifice, like that it is there, something we should sacrifice, that is display. If you compare with the other features, the display is fine for 72,990. Yeah, we can accept that. But if you are using a laptop for gaming, the display feature is very important, right? The resolution and color gamut, these things are main, should keep it in mind that it is very important for a gaming system. But in this system, the laptop display is quite unsatisfied. But for 72,990, again, we should see the price also, right? For this price, that's fine. And pixel per inch is also low, 141, quite not satisfied, sorry. And many of you might not know what is pixel and what these numbers are represents. Let us say this is your laptop screen. There will be small boxes, through which we can see the images and letters, whatever colors they representing your by your laptop, that will be seen by the that will be generated or whatever. um, you can see those colors, images or texts through these pixels. If there is no pixels, there is no laptop display. Fine, pixels you understood, it's a small piece of boxes. They will it will be there in a laptop. Fine, what the number represents, what these numbers are representing: 1920 pixels are there in your laptop screen in horizontal way, and 1080 pixels are there on vertical. That's it, nothing more than that. Fine. NTSC, what it means, it's a color gamut. A system can produce this much of colors or record this much of color, that is 45%. It is below average. If you are using a laptop for gaming purpose, at least it should be 95%. It can give, if it is 95%, it can give a best colors and a more clarity colors, in detail colors, right? For this machine it is 45%, it is below average, I can say that. Then screen to body ratio also just 80%. In the entire, if you are, I want to say, the display features is not satisfying, but still fine. Let's move on to third point. Yes, the next point is performance. A very important specification is performance. The first point under performance is processor, right? The processor is used in this machine is Intel i7. Yes, the best Intel processor, I can say that. It will be a stable processor, right? Fine, it won't get much heated, right? Clock speed of this processor is 2.2 to 5 gigahertz. It's a standard clock speed, I can say that. It's a standard clock speed. And if you talk about cache means nothing but it stores your laptop stores your temporary data for some period. After that period, it will get deleted automatically. For that, they have given 16 mbps, sorry, 16 mb. It is more than sufficient for any laptop. This 60 mb is not a joke, right? On this price, if they are giving 16 mb, that's great. Fine. Total cores, what is this core? Core means, if I want to tell in a layman language, more core means more performance. More core means more performance. And it is 8 cores. And the best one, I can say that, total threads, 16 threads are there. What is this threads? Threads are interlinked with the core. If you have one core, the threads will be 2. If you have 2 core, there will be 4 threads. If you have 4 core, there will be 8 threads. And if you have 8, obviously it will be 16 threads. These both are interlinked. Basically, if there is more cores, there will be more performance. Fine. If you talk about graphics, on this price, the best graphics available for gaming, you can run a smooth gaming and graphic experience in your laptop or in this laptop. It's a fine classic graphics. You can experience a very good colors and a graphic experience in this laptop through GeForce GTX 1650. They have used GDDR6, not 5, GDR6, sorry, GDDR6. Fine. Memory speed of this graphics is 12 Gbps. It's a standard speed of a graphics. That's immense. Fine. The next one is memory. 16 GB RAM. That's more than sufficient for running a best game. Top games you can easily run in this machine. Fine. RAM speed not available. If it is 3200 megahertz, it might be standard for 16 GB. Fine. Then storage they have given 512 GB of SSD, solid state drive. If you ask me about what is the difference between HDD and SSD, HDD's data transfer speed is 80 Mbps to 160 Mbps, but if you use SSD for the data transfer, the speed of data transfer starts with a 200 MB to 550 Mbps. Imagine the speed of your laptop or data transfer. Fine. Next, move on to battery. Battery, I'm not quite satisfied. They might have used 4 cell or 6 cell battery. It can give backup. The 3 cell batteries can give a backup up to 3 to 4 hours. That's it, not more than that. They can claim 6 to 7 hours, but usually it gives 3 to 4 hours. The best it can give 5 hours backup. That's it, not more than that. Adapter type is 150 watt AC adapter they have given in the box. Fine. Next, the very important disadvantages of this laptop. Advantages, if I can say, everything is advantage except display and battery. Display and battery, I'm not quite satisfied. For the gaming laptops, they could give best display or best batteries, but both are not there. Still, for this price, if you ask me, is it worth to purchase? Obviously yes, it's worth on this price. If you search on this price with these specifications, I can assure you that these combined features you cannot get on this price. So you can easily purchase this laptop with that price. If you want to purchase this laptop, the link is on description. Please purchase through that link so I can get some sort of commission without costing you anything. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the next video.